How to get id.me verified. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to get id.me verified. So in order to get your id.me account verified, you have to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now go ahead and open up a browser, log into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, go to your profile from the top right hand side and go to my account. As you click on my account, so you'll be taken to this page where you can go ahead and verify your account. First thing, in order to verify, you need to provide in your ID. So go ahead and select manage ID, and when you go through it in here, you can go ahead and select the type and then click the add button under it. As you do that, a pop-up menu will appear right in center, so you have to wait accordingly. You will be provided with instructions on what you should be providing when you have to verify your ID. So here you can see you have to provide in your state license whatsoever, all of these, and if you're prepared with all of these documents, then go ahead and select I am licensed by my state and accordingly submit the document by taking a picture or uploading it in a PDF format. So that's how you can verify your ID on id.me. And after doing that as well, you can go to your sign in security, and here you should be able to get this option as a verified or active account, which indicates that your account has been successfully verified. So that's how you can get your id.me account verified. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.